Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Autopilot in your Tesla Model Y Juniper. To activate Autopilot, simply pull the right stalk down once for traffic-aware cruise control or twice for auto steer. Remember, Autopilot is a driver assistance system, not a fully autonomous one. You must keep your hands on the steering wheel and remain alert at all times. It's designed to make driving easier, especially on long stretches of highway, but your full attention is always required. Engaging Autopilot is straightforward. First, ensure you are on a suitable road, typically a highway. Pull the right stalk down once to activate traffic-aware cruise control, which maintains your speed and distance from the car ahead. Pull it down a second time to engage auto steer, which helps keep your vehicle centered in its lane. You can easily adjust your set speed and following distance using the touchscreen controls. It's crucial to understand Autopilot's limitations. The system is designed for highway driving and may not perform optimally in urban environments or during adverse weather. Always be prepared to take over, as Autopilot can disengage without warning if conditions exceed its capabilities. Pay attention to the visual and audible prompts that remind you to keep your hands on the wheel and maintain focus on the road ahead. To get the most out of your Autopilot experience, regularly clean your vehicle's cameras, as dirt or obstructions can impair its functionality. Take time to explore the various Autopilot settings on your touchscreen to customize your driving preferences. Remember, practice makes perfect, so start using it in familiar, low-stress environments. For an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.